If you want to provide the child access of your Amazon seller account to some other person so he can work at your account, you can easily do that. This option is only available for professional seller plan. This is not available for individual seller plan. So you just need to click on this button and you have to click on user permission. Once you will click on user permission, you have to add the name and email of that person to whom you want to provide a child. You just need to add the name and email of that person. Once you will provide all the information, you just need to click on invite. When you will click on invite, the other person will receive email of this invitation. He have to accept this invitation. He just need to click on the link so he will be able to proceed with the invitation. Once he will accept the offer, this email will show here with all the other information, with all the other emails. So you need to click on manage permissions. And from here, from this form, you can easily give them access of your account. If you want to make him admin, you just need to click admin for all the options. But if you want to make him view and edit or just view, you can click accordingly. So if you want to hire someone for PPC campaigns, you can click here for these options. If you want to hire for inventory and listing, you need to click on inventory and admin and so on. You can easily see all the options over here and you can select according to the person you want to hire. And once you are done with all the settings, you just need to click continue. Once you will click on continue button, the task is complete. Now you have to ask your virtual assistant or the person to whom you gave the permission, you have to ask him to refresh the page. So once he will refresh the page, he will get the access for the desired options. Thank you.